is kind of wrapping into the green and red really close.
Look at it right there.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I'm seeing a little bowl.
It's headed, that's going south of us, isn't it?
Isn't it? I don't know. Let's put it in motion, babe. Up close. Isn't it? Don't look at that. You see it bowing that way? It was kind of wrapping like around us. See that? Look.